So let's start with the lecture for today. So we're now on your GI system. Okay, so GI stands for here, okay, gastrointestinal system. The other name, sometimes we call this your digestive system. The same, okay? Digestive system. The one you copied in the notes earlier. Eh? Hormones that aids in the digestive system. Okay, so you can call it GI system or digestive system. Okay. Okay, so let's review the functions of your GI system. Okay. Number one, okay, so we have the GI system for what? For digestion. Okay. So the GI system is the one that chemically and mechanically, okay, converts substances into your nutrients. Okay, so the food that we eat, okay, will be broken down into the smallest particles. Okay, the nutrients, say like your carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. Okay. Second function will be for the absorption of the products of digestion, okay, into the blood. Okay, so the one that we eat will go into your blood. Okay. And then lastly, okay, excretion of the unabsorbed material. So not everything that you eat will be absorbed. Okay, so those that cannot be absorbed will be put out. Okay, so excretion. Okay. And number 4, what is the number 4 function? Okay, you can also add number 4. Okay, what's the another function of your GI system? Can you think of another function besides these 3? Digestion, okay, absorption, excretion, what else? Important function of your GI system, right? So in the colon, you know the colon, okay, the large intestine, okay, you have some bacteria inside, okay. What does the bacteria do? What does the bacteria inside the colon do to your body? It is where you produce your what? Vitamin K. Okay. Okay, the natural vitamin K. Okay, the body can produce vitamin K. Okay, where? Okay, in your colon. Okay, the bacteria in the colon, okay, synthesize your vitamin K. What's the function of your vitamin K? You need vitamin K so that you will not have what? Bleeding problems. Okay, you need this for your clotting. Okay, blood clotting. Okay. So in patients who have surgery, okay, surgery in the intestines, okay, GI surgery, okay? So you expect for them, especially in the colon, if you remove the colon, for example, colon cancer, okay, so you expect them to have what? Bleeding problems, okay, because the body cannot produce vitamin K. Okay? Okay, so it provides an environment for microorganisms, okay, bacteria, okay, to synthesize your vitamin K. Okay, that's the 4th function. Okay? Sorry, this is not glucagon. Okay, glycogen. Okay. Okay, so well, for example, you eat carbohydrates. Okay, so the body will break it down into the smallest substance. We call it glucose. Okay, glucose. Okay. If you eat too much carbohydrate, okay, and you don't exercise, what will happen to the carbohydrate that you eat? So glucose will be converted into glycogen. Okay, it will be stored. Okay, stored. Okay, when you keep the glucose inside the body, we don't call it glucose. Okay, we call it glycogen. Okay, where do you store it? Where do you keep your glucose in the body? If you eat too much, where? Where? Huh? Not pancreas. Where? Liver, okay, and where? Muscle cells, okay, in the muscles, okay. So stored in where? Okay, liver and muscle cells. Okay. Glycogen is stored in liver and your muscle cells. Okay. So during the time that you don't eat, okay, the body will get this for energy, right? Because you don't eat. Okay. So you will get and the body will convert it back to glucose, right? The storage form will be converted back to your active glucose, okay, to use for energy production. Okay. So what is the hormone responsible for this? This is your insulin. Okay. You need insulin to convert glucose to glycogen. Okay. So what is the hormone on the opposite one? So what is the opposite of the insulin? What hormone? Your glucagon. Okay. Okay. So insulin and glucagon are opposites. Okay. They work in the opposite way. Okay. So this process, okay, what do you mean by this process? This one, this arrow, okay, here, this one. This is what you call your, here, okay, glycogenolysis, okay, one word, okay. Oh, you know the meaning of lysis. What do you mean by lysis? To dissolve, right? Hemolysis, okay. Break down, okay, to break down, okay. So breaking down of glycogen. So we call the process glycogenolysis, okay. So there, glycogen lysis, okay. Okay, there's another process that goes on into your body, okay. We call it gluconeogenesis. So it's different. It sounds the same, but it's different. Okay? The second one. Okay? Gluconeogenesis. Okay, gluco means the glucose, right? Neo means what? New. Okay, N-E-W, new. Okay, genesis means what? Start. Okay, start. So what does it means when you read it in English? The start of new glucose production. Okay, so these are the two processes the body does, okay, whenever you don't eat. Okay, you remember the body needs constant energy, right? But if you don't eat, where does the body gets the energy? So from these two processes, okay. So this one comes from what? Glycogen, right? That's why you have glycogen there, right? This one, what does it mean? So there will come a time wherein your glycogen will be gone, right? You use them already. So where does the body get the energy if your glycogen is no more? Where? From what? From fat. And if you don't have fat anymore, protein, right? So that is this one, okay? Gluconeogenesis, production of new glucose from non-carbohydrate sources, okay?